Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. So guys, of course, you will need to firstly prepare your data in QuickBooks, log in into your account, review and clean up your data. After that, export your data by going to Settings, Export Data, and of course by selecting the necessary reports. After that, go to Xero and create an account. Right, after that, on the dashboard here, go to Settings and Import. Select the file types you exported from QuickBooks, for example, CSV for contacts, invoices, and transactions. Follow the import wizard step carefully, ensuring data fields align correctly. Use a conversion tool. So, for example, tools like JetConvert, Move My Books, or Data Switcher can automate most of the process. Review and reconcile data. After the import, double-check your data for errors. Go to the banking section in the Xero and match transactions to ensure balances are correct. In Xero, manually enter your opening balances based on your final QuickBooks report. Check that your tax settings and employee payroll data are accurate in Xero. And also have your accountant review the Xero setup to confirm everything is in order. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer your QuickBooks data to Xero with minimal risk for errors. Guys, enjoy this tutorial. Hopefully it helps you out. Subscribe, like the video. See you in the next one.